Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are making another juice, and this juice will help with your energy and your stamina. And I always start off by rinsing and cleansing my fruit and vegetables. So I do let them soak in baking soda for about 10 minutes and then I rinse them. Make sure you are cleansing and rinsing your fruits and vegetables before you start the juicing process. So today we are using strawberries, blueberries, red apples, carrots, and beets. And all of these fruits and vegetables help reduce the risk of chronic illness such as diabetes and cancer. They help with your heart health and they can help reduce inflammation. So they're very good to incorporate in your everyday regimen or every week, however you want to use them, but they're very good for your overall health and wellness. So I just want to go over a few of them and give some information that maybe you know or don't know. So first are the beets, and beets help with improving athletic performance. So if you work out a lot, if you're an athlete, if you play basketball, football, you're in tennis, track, whatever it is that you do and you're highly or moderately active, they help to improve stamina and endurance. So beets have nitrates in them that help to enhance blood flow, and then that blood flow and oxygen delivers to the muscles, which gives you an increased level of stamina and endurance. So it's very helpful if you're looking for more energy and in a natural way. And it also helps to lower blood pressure. So like I said, they have nitrates, and the body converts nitric oxide, which helps to relax and widen the blood vessels, which leads to lower blood pressure. Now, if you have gone to the doctor recently and they've said that your blood pressure is too high and they want to put you on medicine, do not take the medicine. Just go ahead and incorporate beets into your juicing or into a salad, and that will naturally help to lower your blood pressure. My blood pressure was elevated, and once I discovered that beets do help with that, my blood pressure actually went down. So I will say do not take the medicine and use nature's medicine. And next we have red apples, and they are a good source of dietary fiber. And they help to aid in digestion, and they promote satiety. Now, satiety is basically the feeling of being full. So it helps to prevent you from being hungry all the time and snacking. It gives you a feeling of fullness. So if you do like to snack, or if you have a hard time with controlling how much you're eating, I will say start off the day with eating a red apple, or creating this juice and drinking it first thing in the morning, because both beets and red apples help to make you feel full, which eliminates you from always snacking or snacking throughout the day if that's an issue for you. So that is one thing definitely about red apples that I think is pretty good. And if you have a hard time with that, then definitely incorporate that into your everyday regimen. And then next we have carrots, and they are, of course, a great source of vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin C. They have potassium and fiber, so carrots are really good for you. And definitely they help with your eye health. So they help to prevent and protect against age-related eye diseases that can happen as you get older. They help you to maintain good eyesight if you already have it. So definitely it's a good nutrient for your eyes and your vision. So that combined with beets and red apples and strawberries and blueberries is a very powerful nutrient juice that I will say make it at least once a week or twice a month, however you want to do it. But it definitely helps me when I'm about to start my cycle, or when, for us females, and when I am getting ready to do a workout in the morning. So definitely if you're looking for more energy, more stamina, and doing it the natural way, I definitely suggest this juice. It is just packed with all types of nutrients and very helpful to your overall wellness and your health. And it just gives you just a lot of energy and eliminates brain fog. So if you haven't tried this juice already, go ahead and go to the store and get some beets, some carrots, strawberries, blueberries, and some red apples, and go ahead and make this juice. And let me know in the comments how it turned out and if it improved any area of your life. So here I'm just washing the rest of my dishes, and as you can see, I was not paying attention and my cup spilled over with the carrots, but I always clean and sanitize the counter and everything like that before and after. So I will let this just play out and let you guys watch the rest of the process.